Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to keep AOL mail from going to spam. If you want to prevent AOL mail from going to spam, then you can follow several different steps. So let's get to them one by one. The first method is marking the email as not spam. Open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Once you are logged into your AOL Mail account, tap on the little Inbox button at the bottom left corner. Select Spam from the list and tap on it. Once you open up your spam folder, select and locate the desired email. Once you tap on it, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Click on Not Spam button and this will tell AOL to move future emails from that sender to your inbox. Another way to prevent important emails from going to your AOL mail spam is to add the sender to your contact. Go to the top left-hand corner and click on your profile picture. Now, click on the Contacts tab from the list. Once you open up the contact or your address book, tap on the plus icon at the top right-hand corner and create a new contact. Enter the contact's name, their phone number, email address, and other additional information as well. Once you are done, tap on Save at the top right, and doing this will help AOL recognize their emails as legitimate. So that was how you can easily keep AOL mail from going to spam. That will be the wrap up for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from us.